Hey guys, so I have here my JBL TUNE125 truly wireless earbuds, and I want to show you how to unpair these earbuds from all devices. And what we have to perform here is called a factory reset. So at this point right now the earbuds are still paired to my iPhone here. You see this when I take out the earbud out of the charging case and it automatically connects still. And in order to perform this factory reset, now I'm going to put the earbud or both earbuds back into the charging case, and then we're going to press and hold the button on the right earbud, and only on the right earbud. We're going to observe here the LED. So you see how the LED is blinking here in white? That is the factory reset. So now if we take out the earbud again, it's going to automatically go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. See this blinking blue and white, blue and white. So that indicates that everything was successful. And also my phone now cannot pair here to the earbuds anymore. I am forced to pair to the iPhone again, and then everything will work as expected. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below and don't forget to like and subscribe.